Next sound is an. As we have an in the word elephant. Okay. uh, an. I have written also in the just here. In French language, nasal can be separated like in English. So there is an example like this is a French word which means which is pronounced as contenu. Okay, you see, con. It is con. It is not con as in English. You the same word. The translation is content. Okay, so it is in English. It is con. You separate the nasal sound from the vowel. So content. Okay, but in French, it is a nasal sound. Con. This is not con ou con. Okay, it is not contenu, but it's pronounced contenu, contenu. So just remember this sound, okay. So we come back here for the first nasal sound, fan, elephant. Even if I said it is like an in elephant, so it is an, the sound an, but it is pronounced not an but an. Okay, so whenever see in French, en is un. Em, which is also a nasal sound at the end of a word, em, or even in the middle of the word. Sorry. Okay, so en and em, they are both pronounced en. Then you have ren. Re, we just learned that re is a, but ren is en. Rem, en. En, en. Em, en. Then you also have un. Un is also an. Okay, so all these sounds, and here also it continues an, un or so all of these sounds, these combinations, whenever you see these combinations, you have to pronounce them as an. Okay. Okay, so some examples, we'll see some examples here. Vin, vin, en is un, so vin, vin means wine. Then the second word is ren, so un, bain, bain means bath, bath in English, bath, bain. Then rem, it is also pronounced as un, so faim, which means hunger. Whenever we are hungry, we say j'ai faim, which means I am hungry, hungry or hunger. En, so plein, plein, pl, plein, plein means full, 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 full. Then simple, it is not like in English simple, so it is also em is en, so simple. To simplify, we break this word into simple, simple. Okay, simple. Un, which means one in English. In French, the number one, un. Then other example is brun, un, brun.